Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Positive Energy. Does your PDF act strange when you press Tab, jumping between pages instead of following the right order? Let's fix that mysterious tab order problem in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat, then open the Pages panel. Depending on your Acrobat version, it might be on the left or right side of the window. In the Pages panel, right-click on Page 1 and choose Page Properties. In the Page Properties window, go to the Tab Order tab and select Unspecified. This resets the Pages tab sequence so it doesn't interfere with other pages. Click OK, save your PDF, and press the Tab key to test. You'll see no more jumping between pages. And that's how you fix the mysterious tab order issue in Adobe Acrobat. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Acrobat tips.